My name is M. Tirmalesh from CSC G section. My topic is function declaration syntax with example. Subject name Introduction to Programming. Subject code 23 CSE 101. Roll number 244Z1A05DK. Function declaration syntax with example. Introduction to functional declaration. Function declaration are a fundamental aspect of programming languages. They define a block of code that can be executed when called. Understanding function declaration syntax is essential for writing efficient code. Building a compiler from scratch in the given diagram. What is a function? A function is a reusable piece of code that performs a specific task. Function can accept inputs known as parameters and returns output. They help in organizing code and making it more modular and readable. This is the diagram of function. Functions hash include stdio.h, int add, int main, sub is equal to add of num1 comma num2, return type function, data type function. This is called the function. Basic syntax of function declaration. The basic syntax generally consists of a return type, function name and parameters. In languages like JavaScript, it often follows the format function, function name, parameters, size. Each part of the declaration serves a distinct purpose in defining the function's behavior. Function syntax of function declaration section, return type or function name parameters list, define section or return type, body of the function, function call, function name and parameters. This is called a function. Example in JavaScript. Here is a simple function declaration in JavaScript. Function greet name return n hello plus name. This function names one parameter name and returns a greeting string. You can call this function with different names to get custom greetings. Name parameters function add numbers of a comma b body return of a plus b end with semicolon and close bracket. Function declaration in Python. In Python, function declaration uses the define key as shown. Define greet of name return n semicolon hello plus double quotes hello plus name. This syntax indicates the beginning of a function definition. The function can be called simple by using its name followed by param pathness. This is the diagram of declaration of function in the Python. Function parameters. Parameters allows function to accept input when invoked. You can be defined multiple parameters by separating them with commas like function sum of a comma b. This flexibility enables function to handle various data inputs and perform computational accordingly. Function parameters function add num of a comma b return a plus b end with semicolon break close the bracket variable result is equal to add num of 10 comma 25 function argument in upper function parameters in lower function arguments. This is called the function parameters. Return statement. The return statement is used to send a value back to the caller. It determines the function execution and passes the specified values as the output. If no return statement is provided, the function will return undefined in JavaScript or none in Python by default. Return type of statements in as shown in figure. Function declaration versus function expression. A function declaration is hosted, meaning it can be used before it is defined in the code. In contrast, a function expression is not hosted and must be defined before invocation. Understanding the difference help preventing errors in your code. Best practices: use descriptive names for function to indicate this purposely clearly. Keep functions focused on a single task to enhance readability and maintainability. Document your functions with comments to clarify their using a parameters. Descriptive words. Best practices: interesting, amazing, nice, great, happy, good. These are the descriptive verbs in functions. This is the diagram of best practices and the descriptive verbs. Conclusion: function declaration syntax is crucial for effective programming. Mastering this syntax allows for better code organization and reuse. Continuous practice and applications will enhance your programming skills significantly. Customize or expand upon any of the needed function. This is the diagram of the function. This is the conclusion of the functions. Thank you.